99 liquidations. Trade with intuition. Don't be sedated. Manage your risk or you'll be singing this song. I got 99 liquidations. Run it!
I got 99 liquidation, but a bitch ain't one.
Let it run! Let it run!
I got 99 liquidation, but a bitch ain't one.
Yo! Slap the stop loss!
I got 99 liquidation, but a bitch ain't one.
Bring it back!
I got 99 liquidation, but a bitch ain't one.
Been dancing with the market, playing death trap games. Every wick be a bullet with leverage in the name. Stops too tight, that's a hitman's treat. Market makers hunting wallets like wolves in the street. As the price goes up, liquidation stack below. Somebody's hitting the flow. Sweep them, they drag the candle down just to make the margin blow. Liquidation city, watch the funding overflow. And when the price dips low, liquidations rise above. Short sellers feel the fire like a sniper from above. This game is player versus player, ain't no love. Leverage trading ain't no playground, it's a war zone for the boat. I got 99 liquidations cause I over leverage my soul.
I got 99 liquidation, but a bitch ain't one.
Hey, run it up,
I got 99 liquidation, but a bitch ain't one.
cut the leverage, cut the leverage, cut the leverage.
I got 99 liquidations, but a bitch ain't one.
Bounce back, let's go, let's go.
I got 99 liquidations, but a bitch ain't one.
Got liquidated Monday, liquidated Tuesday. Market wicked, portfolio spinning, getting sick. Long in pumps like a junkie, should've learned the first time. But greed is a demon in high leverage, making that portfolio dry. Market makers lurk like villains in the dark. Push it just $1 just to tear the trade apart. Price goes up, they load liquidation trash below. Stop hunts, beat the bullets and margin beat the dough. Price goes down, they spawn liquidation levels above. Shorts get clapped, thinking it's a bad dream, trying to wake up from a nap. Every candle is a trick, every wick is no fun, but still hitting the open trade like it owes me something, son. I got 99 liquidations, yeah, I'm still not done.
I got 99 liquidations, but a bitch ain't one.
Send it, send it.
I got 99 liquidations, but a bitch ain't one.
Margin call, baby, margin call.
I got 99 liquidations, but a bitch ain't one.
Hey, turn it up, turn it up.
I got 99 liquidations, but a bitch ain't one.
That's right, guys. 99 liquidations in 3, 2, and 1. A bingo. And a bango. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time it is your time. It's always time to make this money. So let's do it, guys. Let's make this money. My name is Joe, also known as Trade Intuition, where we show you how to successfully trade without all the complicated terms, pattern memorization. We show you how to trade level by level. So, of course, the White House on their YouTube has the president speaking in a few moments. Now, of course, Trump always shows up late, so hopefully we can kind of see that and also do some charting. I want to get into some trades, so that's why I'm on the trading computer. Let's see. Now, it is extremely difficult trading whenever Trump speaks because, well, it could pump and then dump and then go up, or it could dump and then pump and then go down. So this is very, very volatile whenever he speaks. So if you are in any trades, hopefully you have stop losses. If you're not in any trades, right now is the most, I'm going to say the most, like just whipsaw. So be careful, be careful. All right. So let's go ahead and get started, guys. I do appreciate each and every one of you being here. Striker Heart is first, as always. Thank you so much. And of course, you are my favorite. We got others jumping in. Wick Rider, which is Ned. Thank you, Wick Rider, for being here as well. And we got Harp, and we're gonna get JR and everybody else coming in. So again, I do greatly appreciate you guys for being here. I'm not sure how long this stream might be, but hopefully we can get into a trade. I really want to get into a trade. So if you have any coins you want me to look at, let me know. I'm on the trading computer. Let's see if we can make some money together. So right now, Crypto Bubbles. This is the daily. This is not the hourly or the 15-minute. This is the daily. And it's like, it's just horrible. Johnny December in the house. Johnny December, appreciate you, man. We'll be listening, not in chat though. Hey, it's all good, man. Appreciate you for being here. Thank you for smashing the like. You're the best. You are the best. All right, so on the daily, we have Algo up 6.1%. I'm in short on Algo, and I'm actually up 9%. So we'll see how this turns out. I'm also in Nam. I did get liquidated though. I didn't have to tell you that, but I'm honest with you guys. We're gonna look at that chart as well. And I'm in the chart again. I'm in the trade again. 3x leverage. I'm up 32%, and we'll see how that goes as well. Right now in the daily, just horrible on the daily. It's kind of going sideways for the most part. On the hourly, we've got some green. Does this mean Bitcoin's going up? More than likely. We're going to find out in just a moment. Oh, here comes Trump. So here's Trump. What is he going to say? Oh, I don't even know if y'all can hear it or not. Hey, that's it. Okay. Let's see.
My fellow Americans, good evening. Let me begin by congratulating the
Trying to get that.
NASA astronauts on the successful launch. Something. It will be traveling further than any manned rocket has ever flown and will very substantially pass the moon, go around it, and come back home.
If you're watching this, let me know if you can hear it. You should be able to hear it.
Never been done before. It's amazing. They are on the way, and God bless them. These are brave people. We want to God bless those 4 unbelievable astronauts. As we speak this evening, it's been just 1 month since the United States military began Operation Epic Fury, targeting the world's #1 state sponsor of terror, Iran. In these past 4 weeks, our armed forces have delivered swift, decisive, overwhelming victories on the battlefield. Victories like few people have ever seen before. Tonight, Iran's Navy is gone. Their Air Force is in ruins. Their leaders, most of them terrorist regime they led, are now dead. Their command and control of the Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps is being decimated as we speak. Their ability to launch missiles and drones is dramatically curtailed, and their weapons, factories, and rocket launchers are being blown to pieces. Very few of them left. Never in the history of warfare has an enemy suffered such clear and devastating large-scale losses in a matter of weeks. Our enemies are losing, and America, as it has been for 5 years under my presidency, is winning, and now winning bigger than ever before. Before discussing this current situation, I also want to thank our troops for the masterful job they did in taking the country of Venezuela in a matter of minutes. That hit was quick, lethal, violent, and respected by everyone all over the world. After rebuilding our military during my first term, we have by far the strongest military anywhere in the world. And now we're working along with Venezuela and are, in a true sense, joint venture partners. We're getting along incredibly well in the production and sale of massive amounts of oil and gas, the second largest reserves on Earth after the United States of America. We're now totally independent of the Middle East, and yet we are there to help. We don't have to be there. We don't need their oil. We don't need anything they have, but we're there to help our allies. Tonight, I want to provide an update on the tremendous progress our warriors have made in Iran and discuss why Operation Epic Fury is necessary for the safety of America and the security of the free world. From the very first day I announced my campaign for president in 2015, I have vowed that I would never allow Iran to have a nuclear weapon. This fanatical regime has been chanting death to America, death to Israel for 47 years. Their proxies were behind the murder of 241 Americans in the Marine barracks bombing in Beirut, the slaughter of hundreds of our service members with roadside bombs. They were involved in the attack on the USS Cole, and they carried out the countless other heinous acts, including the just horrible, bloody atrocities of October 7th in Israel. Something that most people have never seen anything like it. This murderous regime also recently killed 45,000 of their own people who were protesting in Iran. 45,000 dead. For these terrorists to have nuclear weapons would be an intolerable threat. The most violent and thuggish regime on earth would be free to carry out their campaigns of terror, coercion, conquest, and mass murder from behind a nuclear shield. I will never let that happen, and neither should any of our past presidents. This situation has been going on for 47 years and should have been handled long before I arrived in office. I did many things during my 2 terms in office to stop the quest for nuclear weapons by Iran first.
So let's see if,
and perhaps most
just checking
importantly,
to
I
see if y'all
killed
could hear that.
General Qasem Soleimani.
So as soon as he
first
got
term.
on the
He
stream,
was an evil genius,
the coins started
brilliant
coming down,
person,
and this is what we expect.
horrible
You know, as soon as
human
he
being,
starts
however,
talking,
the father
either it's
of
going
the
to pump
roadside
and then
bomb,
dump, and then maybe
and he
going up.
lived.
But as soon as he
It's
started
horrible
speaking,
what
it
he
just
did.
went down, down,
Iran
down,
would have
down,
been
down. I'm still in my shorts.
Perhaps in far
But
better,
I've been in it
stronger
since over
position.
here,
Had he lived,
looking
we
for
would
this
have had
zone
probably
to
a
break
different
out or break
conversation
down.
tonight. But you know what?
And
We'd
so
still
far,
be
no.
winning and winning big.
But I
And then,
believe
very
that y'all
importantly, I
could have heard
terminated
it.
Barack Hussein
Right now I have
Obama's
it kind
Iran
of
nuclear
low.
deal, a disaster. Obama gave them $1.7 billion in cash, green cash. Took it out of banks from Virginia, D.C., and Maryland, all the cash they had.
So basically, right
Flew it
now
by
he just took out
airplanes in an
the
attempt
shorts
to buy their
that
respect and
enter,
loyalty, but it
somewhere
didn't
around
work.
here. I'm
They
sorry,
laughed at our
the
president and went on with their
the
mission to
longs.
have a nuclear bomb.
Start went in.
His Iran deal
So
would
this
have
right here just
led to a
liquidate those.
colossal arsenal of massive nuclear weapons for Iran, and they would have had them years ago, and they would have used them. It would have been a different world. There would have been no Middle East and no Israel right now, in my opinion, the opinion of a lot of great experts. Had I not terminated that terrible deal, and I was so honored to do it. I was so proud to do it. It was so bad right from the beginning. Essentially, I did what no other
And once
president
again,
was willing
once
to do.
President Trump starts speaking,
They made mistakes, and I
usually,
am
or
correcting
anybody
them.
really, whether it's
My
Powell or
first
Trump or
preference
anybody,
was always
usually as soon as they come up
path
to the
of
podium,
diplomacy, yet the
we
regime
normally see it,
continued their
dump,
relentless quest for
and then
nuclear
it'll kind of
weapons and
go
rejected
pump up,
every attempt at
and then
an
as
agreement.
they're talking,
For this
depending on the words
reason,
that
in
they
June,
say,
I ordered a
it'll either
strike on
pump or
Iran's
dump.
key
So,
nuclear
like right now,
facilities
it's
in
like the most
Operation
volatile you're going to
Midnight
see
Hammer. Nobody's
any
ever
coin,
seen
really,
anything
especially
like it.
Bitcoin.
Those
Just because,
beautiful
well,
B-2 bombers
there's a lot of
performed
bots that
magnificently.
key on in certain
We
words,
totally
and they'll either
obliterated those
dump
nuclear
or
sites.
pump the
The
coin.
regime then sought to rebuild their nuclear program at a totally different location, making clear they had no intention of abandoning their pursuit of nuclear weapons. They were also rapidly building a vast stockpile of conventional ballistic missiles and would soon have had missiles
And
that could
a lot of people
reach
here,
the
as it
American
dumped
homeland, Europe,
and
and
started going
virtually
up,
any other place on
they
Earth.
long,
Iran's
and again,
strategy
just
was
extremely
so
volatile
obvious.
because it could go up
They
and
wanted
then
to
dump
produce
again
as many
because he says
missiles
certain
as
words.
possible, and they did,
So this is
with the longest range possible, and
it's
they
just
had some
we just
weapons
waiting.
that nobody believed they had. We just learned that out. We took them out. We took them all out. So
How long is he going
that
to
no
speak?
one
I
would
do
really
not.
dare stop them. And their race for a nuclear bomb, a nuclear weapon like nobody's ever seen before. They were right at the doorstep. For years, everyone has said that Iran
not sure if
cannot
y'all hearing
have
echo,
nuclear weapons, but in the end,
But
those
hopefully
are
no
just
echo.
words if
Well, you
you're
might
not
be.
willing to take action when the time comes. As I stated in my announcement of Operation Epic Fury, our objectives are very simple and clear. We are systematically dismantling the regime's ability to threaten America or project power outside of their borders. That means eliminating Iran's Navy, which is now absolutely destroyed, hurting their Air Force and their missile program at levels never seen before, and annihilating their defense industrial base. We've done all of it. Their Navy is gone, their Air Force is gone, their missiles are just about used up or beaten. Taken together, these actions will cripple Iran military, crush their ability to support terrorist proxies, and deny them the ability to build a nuclear bomb. Our armed forces have been extraordinary. There's never been anything like it militarily. Everyone is talking about it, and tonight I'm pleased to say that these core strategic objectives are nearing completion. As we celebrate this progress, we think especially of the 13 American warriors who have laid down their lives in this fight to prevent our children from ever having to face a nuclear Iran. Twice this past month, I've traveled to Dover Air Force Base, and it's been something. I wanted to be with those heroes as they return to American soil, and I was with them and their families, their parents, their wives, their husbands. We salute them, and now we must honor them by completing the mission for which they gave their lives. And every single one of the people, their loved ones said, "Please, sir, please finish the job." Every one of them. And we are going to finish the job, and we're going to finish it very fast. We're getting very close. I want to thank our allies in the Middle East, Israel, Saudi Arabia, Qatar, the UAE, Kuwait, and Bahrain. They've been great, and we will not let them get hurt or fail in any way, shape, or form. Many Americans have been concerned to see the recent rise in gasoline prices here at home. This short-term increase has been entirely the result of the Iranian regime launching deranged terror attacks against commercial oil tankers in neighboring countries that have nothing to do with the conflict. This is yet more proof that Iran can never be trusted with nuclear weapons. They will use them, and they will use them quickly. It would lead to decades of extortion, economic pain, and instability worse than we can ever imagine. The United States has never been better prepared economically to confront this threat. You all know that. We built the strongest economy in history. We're going through it right now, the strongest in history. In 1 year, we've taken a dead and crippled country. I hate to say that, but we were a dead and crippled country after the last administration and made it the hottest country anywhere in the world by far, with no inflation, record-setting investments coming into the United States, over $18 trillion, and the highest stock market ever, with 53 all-time record highs in just 1 year. It all positioned us to get rid of a cancer that has long simmered. It's known as the nuclear Iran, and they didn't know what was coming. They've never imagined it. Remember, because of our Drill Baby Drill program, America has plenty of gas. We have so much gas. Under my leadership, we are #1 producer of oil and gas on the planet, without even discussing the millions of barrels that we're getting from Venezuela. Because of the Trump administration's policies, we produce more oil and gas than Saudi Arabia and Russia combined. Think of that, Saudi Arabia and Russia combined. And that number will soon be substantially higher than that. There's no country like us anywhere in the world, and we're in great shape for the future. The United States imports almost no oil through the Hormuz Strait and won't be taking any in the future. We don't need it. We haven't needed it, and we don't need it. We've beaten and completely decimated Iran. They are decimated, both militarily and economically and in every other way. And the countries of the world that do receive oil through the Hormuz Strait must take care of that passage. They must cherish it. They must grab it and cherish it. They can do it easily. We will be helpful, but they should take the lead in protecting the oil that they so desperately depend on. So to those countries that can't get fuel, many of which refuse to get involved in the decapitation of Iran, we had to do it ourselves. I have a suggestion. #1, buy oil from the United States of America. We have plenty. We have so much. And #2, build up some delayed courage. Should have done it before. Should have done it with us, as we asked. Go to the Strait and just take it, protect it, use it for yourselves. Iran has been essentially decimated. The hard part is done, so it should be easy.
As soon as you start speaking,
and in any event, when this conflict is over, the Strait will open up naturally.
And then now it's
It'll
going back
just
down
open
again.
up naturally.
So
They don't want to be able to sell oil
extremely
because
difficult to
that's
trade
all they have to
right
try
now,
and rebuild.
because anywhere he says could trigger the
resume the
bots
flowing,
to
and the
buy
gas
or
prices
dump.
will rapidly come back down. Stock prices will rapidly
But here
go
are
back
my
up.
levels.
They haven't come down very
Our
much,
candle
frankly.
closes below
They
this
came
level,
down a little bit, but they've had some
67943.
very good
Going to
days over the
Binance.
last couple of
Buy
days.
short.
We've done
And
actually much
this
better
is
than I
the
thought.
level we're
But
looking
we
for a
had to take
bounce.
that little
This is the level we're
journey
looking for resistance.
to Iran to get rid of
Unless
this
it
horrible
breaks.
threat. With our historic tax cuts, where people are just now talking about receiving larger refunds than they ever thought possible. They are getting so much more money than they thought. That's from the great big beautiful bill. Our economy is strong and improving by the day, and it will soon be roaring back like never before. It will top the levels that it was a month ago. I've made clear from the beginning of Operation Epic Fury that we will continue until our objectives are fully achieved. Thanks
Man.
to the progress we've made, I can say tonight that we are on track to complete all of America's military objectives shortly, very shortly. We are going to hit them extremely hard over the next 2 to 3 weeks. We're going to bring them back to the Stone Ages where they belong. In the meantime, discussions are ongoing. Regime change was not our goal. We never said regime change, but regime change
Send them back
has
to the Stone
occurred
Ages
because
to
of
see what happens on
all
that,
of
those
their
words.
original leaders' death. They're all dead. The new group is less radical and much more reasonable. Yet if during this period of time no deal is made, we have our eyes on key targets. If there is no deal, we are going to hit each and every one of their electric generating plants very hard and probably simultaneously.
Wow.
We have not hit their oil, even though that's the easiest target of all, because it would not give them even a small chance of survival or rebuilding. But we could hit it, and it would be gone, and there's not a thing they could do about it. They have no anti-aircraft equipment. Their radar is 100% annihilated. We are unstoppable as a military force. The nuclear sites that we obliterated with the B-2 bombers have been hit so hard that it would take months to get near the nuclear dust, and we have it under intense satellite surveillance and control. If we see them make a move, even a move for it, we'll hit them with missiles very hard again. We have all the cards, they have none. It's very important that we keep this conflict in perspective. American involvement in World War I lasted 1 year, 7 months, and 5 days. World War II lasted for 3 years, 8 months, and 25 days. The Korean War lasted for 3 years, 1 month, and 2 days. The Vietnam War lasted for 19 years, 5 months, and 29 days. Iraq went on for 8 years, 8 months, and 28 days. We are in this military operation, so powerful, so brilliant, against one of the most powerful countries for 32 days. And the country has been eviscerated and essentially is really no longer a threat. They were the bully of the Middle East, but they're the bully no longer. This is a true investment in your children and your grandchildren's future. The whole world is watching, and they can't leave the power, strength, and brilliance. They just can't believe what they're seeing. They leave it to your imagination, but they can't believe what they're seeing, the brilliance of the United States military. Tonight, every American can look forward to a day when we are finally free from the wickedness of Iranian aggression and the specter of nuclear blackmail. Because of the actions we have taken, we are on the cusp of ending Iran's sinister threat to America and the world. And I'll tell you, the world is watching. And when we do, when it's all over, the United States will be safer, stronger, more prosperous, and greater than it has ever been before. May God bless the men and women of the United States Armed Forces, and may God bless the United States of America. Thank you very much, and good night.
Well, there you have it. Whole bunch of words, and it's not sexy. Not sexy. So now, after the dust is settled, let's see what happens. Do we come up Do we do something like this? And again, this is a 3-minute time frame. Do we come up and do something like this? Or do we roll over? Everybody, you know, checks on ChatGPT, what did it all mean and everything else. If so, then, you know, we could have the continuation of the rollover. Let's just make this big screen. So right now, once again, whenever there's any speaker, whether it's Powell or President, usually as soon as they come up to the mic, they just go, or, you know, they tap the mic, whoop, generally it comes down, generally. And I think that's so funny, especially with Powell. He comes up to the mic and he goes, and you just see the kind of whoop. And let's see what happens. Now, granted, I was in this short yesterday. I got it in over here just because I thought we were going to come down, come up, and then roll over. I don't really want to be watching this, so I just entered it. Not even waiting for the break of a pivot or even a pivot to be created. I just entered it. And then sure enough, came down, came up, created this zone. And then I've been in the negative ever since. That's no problem. Because what I'm thinking about doing is adding to my entry if it comes up here. Because here I'm thinking we're going to possibly roll over. And this is my thought process. We still have 36 minutes to go before the candle closes. This may end up being just a wick and then a strong move to the upside. But again, due to this zone that I'm looking at, and it's been in a range, kind of zoom out. Again, you know, during doing these little, you know, thought process as far as it going down or up or where it's pivoting, I take these trades. So I do take these trades. These are closed prices. These aren't open. They were closed. This was, I believe, the other day when I was thinking we're going to do something like this. I took the long, went to bed, and put my stop loss super tight. So I ended up getting stopped out, but in profit. This, like, to me, this is, I don't like doing this, like a 75x leverage and only getting 14%. If I do 75x leverage, I want to get like 65, 80%. But this one, like I mentioned, I got to bed. It came down and tapped my stop loss and in profit. And then it ran up. And I was like, ah, dang it. But when it was coming down, this move right here, I took that short as well. And that one did. But right now we're looking at this on the 1 hour time frame. This is our zone that we're looking at, our range. And if we do come up to the top of the range, just like how we've done multiple times before, that's where I'll be shorting it. I'll be shorting it until we start making higher highs. And then if so, okay, well then now it's time to long. And that's how I trade, level by level. If you have any coin you want me to do, let me know. American Maker, thank you so much for being here, man. Appreciate you greatly. Thank you for smashing the like. You guys are the absolute best. Let's see here. Hope everyone is doing well. Yes, indeed. We got Big Buck in the house. What's up, man? Appreciate you greatly. We got Steve Hickey. Steve, my man. What's up, buddy? Thank you so much for being here. Jesse, the man, the myth, the legend, the GOAT. What's up, Jesse? Appreciate you. We got Hart as well. Thank you guys for being here. Thank you for smashing the like. Once again, you guys are the best. And of course, JR. I love watching JR. I love watching his thought process when it comes to these coins, the trades, everything else. One thing that I absolutely love, and I completely forgot about, it's been years since I've done this, but coming over here to the overbought, oversold. And it's amazing. Like some of the stuff that you may do in the past and you just either forget about or you kind of move on. And then you see somebody else doing it. It's like, dude, like I used to make so much money off of this. Now, in a not great market, the trick is to watch coins pump and then short them. That's the trick. And then when it's in a great market, watch the coins that dumped and then long them. That's the strategy. Super easy strategy. The only thing is, you know, how are you going to trade it? Are you going to trade it with a tight stop loss, with a loose stop loss, with a stop loss? Question mark. You know, it just depends on your level and style of trading. Not only that, but also, you know, are you okay with seeing it down a certain percentage before you start freaking out? You know, if you start freaking out, trading with too much money. You really are. Now, we mentioned NAM. I was in NAM. Let's go to that chart really quick, and then we'll go back to Bitcoin, see what that is. But on NAM, we were down here, way down here. And I'm thinking, okay, cool. I'm at the very top. This is an aggressive entry. You know, if you want to do this as a safer entry, yellow circles means aggressive entries, white circles, safer entries. And as you can see, the safer entry did not trigger, but the aggressive one, sure. Let's try to catch the top. So if you are a safer trader, you did not get liquidated. Again, you know, holy smokes. See here, sign. You are now my favorite. Thank you so much for signing up. Thank you for becoming a YouTube member, or YouTube subscriber rather. Thank you, my friend. Appreciate you greatly. Thank you. So again, what we do here is we show you how to trade successfully. Do we lose? Sure. Do we hide it? Nope. Am I trying to sell you something? No. I show you what I do. I show you how I operate, thought process, all that fun stuff. So if you have any questions, there are no dumb questions. They're only questions we've either had before or haven't thought of yet. So I strongly recommend you ask these questions, because this is your 1 hour of free mentorship. Ask me about indicators, ask me about strategies, ask me about whatever you want, and I'll let you know. And if I don't know it, we'll look it up together. We'll find out together. Again, no dumb questions, only questions we've either had before or haven't thought of yet. So here, I entered aggressively, and it started coming down. It's like, all right, let's go. And then it came up. It's like, oh crap. I added to my entry. I think only once. I had other add to entries, but I didn't do them because I figured, oh, well, it'll go up and then I can just add later. Just kind of see how, kind of judge it. Man, I woke up and at the time of my waking up, it had gone up 45% from this time. Then it went up 45. It went all the way up to 82%. Holy smokes. Holy smokes. Right now on NAM, I am currently at 14%. I did right before going to work, I believe. I said, you know what? I'm going to put an entry, and my higher entries didn't hit. So slightly disappointed. But, you know, if you are looking for this as a trade setup, the best thing to do, in my opinion, not financial advice, wait for the 15-minute candle to close underneath 0.005636. This is safer, because now what we're doing is we're rolling over, and here's the break. So this is a nice area to enter this trade. Could you do an aggressive entry? Sure. However, sometimes these aggressive entries on these poop coins can liquidate you if you don't have a stop loss. And if you do have a stop loss, well, this can get you really quick. And in my personal opinion, do not trade more with 3x. You know, if you do a 5x, man, it doesn't take much to liquidate. A 2x is way better. If you're looking for a short, you just want to do a 1x, that's great. Again, none of this information is financial advice. This is for entertainment purposes only. And I do hope you guys are entertained. I really do. All right. But yeah, so, and that's one thing I love watching JR is because, well, he shows stuff that either I forgot about, and it's like a good refresher too. And then you get to see, and JR is from The Art of Crypto. The Art of Crypto, I love watching. He's actually on the show prior to me. Where am I here? Prior to me. So this is when he already put the music on. But it's JR right here. So let's go ahead and get his channel. Yeah, I love watching this guy. This guy is really good. Gives a lot of really great information. So let me go ahead and put this on. There we go. All right. Moving on. All right. So let us go to, what are we going to go to? I guess we can look at the liquidation heat map. Let's go 24-hour time frame. Refresh the page for good luck. And again, I want to get into a trade. So we'll see if we can find a trade. I see here, NAM is coming up, going down. Algo is going down. So I'm up on Algo. Bitcoin short finally turned green. Had to wait a whole day. Will it continue being green? We're going to find out. Probably in an hour or two to see if we lose that level or if we, you know, just liquidate people and start going up again. We'll see. Let's see here. Sugarheart says, I need make link clips for these. Yes. Yeah, thank you, Striker Heart. Man, look at you, man. You're the best. I'm slacking. You're the best. You're the best. All right, so 0.5, 24-hour time frame. We have the liquidation heat map and put it at 0.5 for the threshold. Thanks to our good buddy Al in JR's Discord. JR is blowing up, guys. JR is blowing up. And so Al told us about this. Crypto Change Me told us about the blue. And you can see we came down here and we just took all this out. And JR, the Art of Crypto, was talking about this, to where there's a lot of really nice juiciness down here. There's also some up here, but it ended up coming down for this. So let's go to the 12-hour time frame. And on the 12-hour time frame, it's kind of zoomed in. You can see a little bit more clear as far as, you know, all these levels and the amounts on the 12-hour time frame. You can see we came down here, we wicked this one, we came up just to trick traders and came down. And started going up, and then maybe we come down some more. But this is what traders, they'll see this dump or this dip, and we kind of show that on the chart as well as it was happening, that when it came down, a lot of traders, they'll go long, but only for it to come down again. And that's why at the very beginning, I mentioned that it's really, really dangerous, because any word that is said, the bots can actually get those words and then, okay, let's long or short, dump or pump. On the 3-day, we can see that we came down here for a bunch of liquidations down here. We have some more down here right around 66,383 all the way down to 66.2. Lots of liquidations, 33.8 million, 30.9 million, 48.81 million. A lot. We got Camsta in the house. What's up, Camsta? Appreciate you. Now, do I think we're gonna have a straight shot down? No. This is why we trade level by level. If the price action goes up, and I would expect that it would, what we're looking for is the next pivot or change of direction. Are we gonna break the low, or are we gonna start attacking the highs? If we break the low, well, then we're just that much closer to these lower levels, which makes sense that the probability of going to there just increased. And all we do is we trade probabilities, guys. That's all we do. Trade probabilities. You know, we don't predict what might happen. Well, granted, when I do the path tool, I show the higher probable what might happen, but I don't know. I wish I did. Man, I wish I did. But granted, you know, when I show you the information on the chart, I usually take the trades. And I'm gonna start showing you now as far as, you know, me taking these trades. But yeah, so right now on the weekly, lots of liquidations to the upside. Not so much to the downside. I mean, there's a lot of different levels to the downside, but lots to the upside. So as we start coming down, this builds brighter and brighter. So that means more liquidations, the more money the market makers can get if they bring it up. So this is really tempting to the market makers just to come up here, get some, I don't know, like 500 million, crazy numbers, just so it can come back down and then continue its path, or vice versa. All right, so let's go back to the chart. Let's go back to the chart. See here, Kamsa says, how bad was the Trump speech? He was talking about I don't know if I can say certain words, but he did. But he was just saying that he's not to be messed with. That's pretty much what he said. It was very like, don't mess with us, and they're gonna take out a lot of very important things and really quick. So it's not looking good. Not looking good. And we started seeing that Bitcoin on the 3-minute time frame, as soon as he started speaking, we were up here, as soon as he got to the podium, boom, he started talking about all the stuff that basically for them to watch out started coming up. But as I mentioned, as it was coming up, this could possibly be a fake out where it just rolls over. We gotta wait and see. And sure enough, it started coming down some more, it's coming down some more. Here, this was an area, well, it was kind of like, well, I guess like this, where this, you know, if we do bounce here, this is what I'm looking at. But again, like, I don't know. And this is a potential bounce zone. Can it hold? And it held, then it got rejected, and boom. So now let's see if this happens. I want to see it roll over. I want to see it do this. I want to see it do this. Because that way my shorts can play out really nice. My longs are suffering though. I'm in a Solana long and Ondo long. I'm still in that one. I should have got out of that one a long time ago. I think I entered like 3 days ago. But yeah. But yeah, who's just talking about basically the W word ends in an R, and there's a vowel starts with an A. So just let you know. Let's see here. So for Bitcoin, this was my thought process last night. Thinking we were going to come down, and we did. To come up, but I thought we were going to get rejected here and come down. This was my plan A. However, we came down to around this area. We came up to around this area, and I don't adjust these guys. Like this is where I set it, and this is what happens. We came up to around this area to come down, and now this pivot is showing this is our decision point. Are we going to attack the highs or come down? So here we came down, here we came down, then we came up, did a lower high, which is fine. And here, this would have been our decision point right here. We talk about this all the time. This is our decision point. Going back down maybe 38 to 50% of the new extension leg to come up and start doing this number. However, that did not happen. We went 100% of this extension leg, which is not good. Came up another lower high. So we have a high, lower high, lower high, not looking too good. And this is the reason why I'm staying in my short. When we come up some more, now we can see that we have high, lower high, lower high. And then Trump spoke and boop. So now we're looking for, based off of this 1 hour, maybe something like this. That's what I'm looking for. And that would be okay. If, because of this extension leg, this is a real nice, healthy pullback, anywhere really between here and here. See here and here. This will be, and I'll show you too on the using the fib retracement. But this, okay. So let's go to the fib retracement. Magnet tool, go from the low to the high. And you can see this is right in the golden pocket. Right. So my golden pocket, 0.5618. I understand the past few years, the goalposts have been moved, and now everybody's golden pocket is 61865. I call this the golden pocket plus, or the hot pocket. Hot pocket. So, and you have to say it like that. So this is y'all's hot pocket, or golden pocket. The 0.5618 is my golden pocket. This is when I was learning a long time ago, and based off of the information that's out now, man, I don't even know if I would want to use a 61865. It's just of a simple fact, like when I was looking up information about which way to draw the fib retracement, there are reputable places, websites that have the image incorrect, which is leading to traders being incorrect. And not only that, but if you Google on images, cup and handle, inverse head and shoulders, falling wedge, like there's so many trash, I'm gonna say it, I won't call them trash traders. I wanted to say that, but I'm not, just so I can be politically correct. There are so many trash images that traders are posting for patterns, and it's horrible because it's making it more difficult for these newer traders coming in who are trying to learn, and they're looking at these images and they're like, oh, that's a cup and handle. For example, oh look, oh dang it, I don't Spotify. Get out of here, Spotify. Oh look guys, oops, crap. Look guys, we got a cup and a handle. No, we don't. We don't, stop it. All right, moving on. Okay, let me see here. Let me see what we got here. What's the percentage on Ondo for my, I got a 3x leverage and I'm down 19%. I wish I was down 12. down 19%. So this is my Ondo. Ooh. My Ondo long. When did I... Oh, I did it like somewhere here because I thought we were gonna continue pumping and then pull back. I thought this is what I thought we were gonna do. From here, I entered somewhere here, I think. Oh, when did I enter? No way. I forgot when I entered. No, that came. Oh, this is the wrong one. I was like, wait a minute. Like, there's no way. Honda. Okay. So here. So I entered here. I didn't want to watch it, but I thought we were going to come back to here and come up. And then we came down and then down. And it doesn't look strong. It looks very weak. Extremely weak. And look at how it's respecting this zone right here. Yeah, but I'm down 19%. Not good at all. Not good. If I would have had my stop loss, it would have been right here. Would have been stopped out. And we got rejected off of this zone. Came down. Looking promising. Looking promising. And then I needed to see it bounce here and not re-enter this zone. This would have been my decision point. We attack this, let's go, get rejected off of the trend lines and fight through. But it came back in, not good. Trump, thanks Trump. Boop. So we'll see. But yep. See, Kamsa says, is it I'm under the water bag? Yeah. I'm under the water. Down 20%. Ouch. 18%. We'll just call it 20. Soul is breaking another level as we speak. Look at Soul. Where is Soul? I had Soul. I took off a bunch of my I had a bunch of charts up here. Hey, oh, here's Soul. Oh, yeah. I'm in Soul too. Soul, I'm down 14%. Ouch. Ouch. I was looking for it to come up. But this level right here is like super strong. Can't do it. Can't do it. So if you guys are looking for a so long, I think all this is just teaching. 35 drawings, get out of here. Oof. Man, that's horrible. 3 day. Yep. So this level is really strong. Kind of match them up. So this level right here. So the 3 day is a pivot. And it's actually this zone. All of this zone. On the 3 day. So right now, hopefully we bounce right here. Hopefully. We'll see. It's another level. Let's go daily. Okay. We're in this range, and then we broke out. We came back in. We broke out. Here's where we needed to bounce, but we re-entered this zone. Re-entering the zone, not good. So we came out of it, came back in, came out. Here we need to see the bounce. We came back in, we came up, and then we broke this level. This was our level for the short, and this would have been the level for the long. Broke this, coming down here. So now we're looking for potential bounce, like right now. Right now, I'm looking for a potential bounce. Let's go 1 hour. $15 Ooh, 15 minutes. Got a green. Light green right now. Go 3 minute. Now I'm also going to do my cheat sheet. Now, if you were going to try to enter this as a long, Could you enter right now? Sure. Do a lot of traders enter like this? Yes, because they see, oh, there's a whatever, whether it's a demand zone, order block. I mean, there's so many different words for these levels, but could you enter now for a long? Sure. For me, what I like to do is I like to, well, sometimes I'll get it, but to me, that's an aggressive entry. I like to see this, where it comes up, then it pulls back, and then it breaks the pivot. Because what it's showing me is that it stopped here, and then it broke through it. So it broke the resistance, so potentially it can continue going. That's what I'm looking at. Let's see here. I like Hot Pockets, but they are pretty terrible for you. I haven't had a Hot Pocket in years. Maybe like 5, 8, 10. I don't even know. Long time. Long time. Let's see here. Yep. Mike Play in the house. What's up, Mike Play? Appreciate you, man, being here. Appreciate you greatly. But yeah, so that's what we're looking at there. Let's look at our gold. Ooh, gold came down. Not good. Silver came down to 72. I still haven't bit the bullet to buy gold. I mean silver. I was gonna buy silver, and when it was down here at 64, but they were still gonna charge like 75 or something like that. It's at 83. I was like, man, I had it in my shopping cart at 20 bucks. And here I am, a big old dummy, buying it at 80. I don't know. I can't pull the trigger, knowing that I saw it at that. Let's see here. I'm pretty tempted to add to my long. Pretty tempted. I don't know. I do have to take profit on my algo though. Just one moment. Last price 0.10. Just put like that. Get some. Hey, wait a minute. Do I have a target already for algo? Oh, I do have a target for algo. Way down there. Dang it. You know what? No, I'm not going to take profit. Canceled it. Because I have a profit already, or for algo, I have it way down here. Kind of don't want to mess that up. Go 1 hour. I don't know what happened to my algo setup. I gave the algo setup, I believe it was on YouTube yesterday. And my TP is at 6. No. My TP cannot be down there. At 65. Man, was I drinking? I don't drink anymore. At 65. Maybe I should take my profit. No, that is obviously a mistake. Give me no 65. So let me do my target. I'll go from here, 991. Let me cancel this one. That's, I don't know what I was doing. Okay, so partial. So I'm going to do my partial at 0.0995. Oh, it's just slightly lower than what I was gonna do. I think I was gonna do it at 990. Now I'm doing it at 995. Ooh, big money. All right. Let's see here. We got Crypto Squid in the house. I almost said squad. Crypto Squid in the house. My man, what's up, buddy? What's going on? So first target here, second target be here, third target here. We'll see. Right at the fib levels. Or slightly above. Slightly above. We'll see. Let's see here. Jesse. Anytime you type that out, I hear that dumb voice. Crazy. Drinking water. That's right. Drinking water. Yeah, I bought some groceries today and buying a whole bunch of stuff. And I went down the soda aisle and I said, nope. But I did get ice cream though. I did get ice cream. I didn't do the stepper today. Today is the longest day consecutive that I have not done the stepper. We're going on 3 days. Yes, the day before yesterday, I was really sick. Really sick. Didn't even do the live stream. Then yesterday, I did a trading episode, which we talked about algo. And then today, I'm doing a trading episode again. So that's 3 days in a row. I am going to eat my ice cream. But tomorrow, for sure, I'm going to do the stepper. So if we enter trades tomorrow, I will get off the stepper and come to my trading computer because I have to do it. I have to. Crypto Squid in the house. What's up, man? Appreciate you. Yeah, 3rd day consecutive. And then I'm thinking, oh man, after this trading stream, I'm going to do the stepper. Not so much. I'm going to eat me some ice cream. And I ate a big dinner too. So like I was really stuffed. Like still at 9 o'clock, I was really stuffed. I was like, oh, I can't do it. It was so good. Man. Thank you, God, for taste buds. Thank you, God, for allowing me to buy groceries. You know, that like all the stuff that we take for granted, able to see, hear, touch, smell, taste, swallow without complications, breathing without complications, hand-eye coordinations, motor skills, like all that stuff I thank God for. Because, man, it can be taken away like that. I've seen it. It's horrible. So every day that you're able to do, like being able to take a shower by yourself, being able to use the restroom by yourself, man, I thank God every day for all the like stuff that we take for granted. So if you haven't thanked him for whoever you believe in, I should recommend you do so, because it's literally a gift that we're able to do that stuff. Literally. So there you go. That's the PSA for the day. Let's see here. Oh, very nice. Very nice. Let's see here. We got a few more minutes. Do we enter a trade? Man, that's one thing I don't like. That's one thing I don't like. I do the trading computer, and then we don't even enter a trade. And then when I'm on the stepper, we enter trades. Like, ONT looks good for a long. And it's just a scalp. I just scanned it right there. Had a really nice run up. Nice pullback. May continue going up. More FOMO. Oh, let's see here. Man, huge run up. For the long on this one, it's actually a zone we'd have to break above. And then same thing, I'd wait for the 3 minute. So maybe like in 15 more minutes, see if we get this candle close above it. If so, we can take the trade. Let's see here. I haven't done this in a long time. Say we enter it about here. Almost a 2-to-1. Okay, now we go. It's just over a 2-to-1. So what I'm looking for, in order for us to take it, price has to come up, break above. I don't remember where I put the thing. One second. have two numbers. Okay. So price has to break above 0.1188 on the 3-minute time frame. If it does, then more than likely our entry will be about here. Candle has to close, and then we're looking for this. And then if it does come down a little bit more, as long as it doesn't break below this, we're good. And we have our stop underneath this pivot. And this might be ready another 15, 30 minutes. We'll see. See here. Amen, Joe. Preach it. Thank you. Appreciate you, man. Yeah. And it's so funny, man. Like, it's because I've seen it. Like, I've fed people. I used to feed people and watch them swallow to see if they were gonna, start coughing or whatever. And then, of course, we got to get X-rays and all that good stuff. Anyway, like, man, it's horrible. It really is. But yeah, I'm very grateful. I'm grateful for you guys watching the channel, for you guys participating in the chat, for you guys smashing the like, for you showing your support. Man, I'm so grateful because y'all could be doing other stuff and y'all are here. It means a lot to me. It really does. I'm a small channel trying to grow. I can only do it with your help. And in my opinion, the information that I have to offer is good. It's knowledge, And pretty soon we're gonna start taking more trades, because I know y'all want to see, trades. But man, if there's not a trade to get, I can't take it. And if I force a trade, well, you know what happens. Nom took all my money. Oh, Nom. This looked great though. This looked great. It looked like it was ready. Safer entry, of course, the white circle that never occurred. Aggressive entry, I took it, and I only had one entry, additional entry, and man, that sucker went up 82% more than this run up. So from the break of this level, which that's where we would have looked at it, it ran up 38% when I saw it. I was like, oh man, it went up 40%. Yeah. I don't think it's going to go up 150, but it did. Welcome to crypto. 99 liquidations. Let's go. All right. So let me see who is streaming. You guys are the best. I appreciate you guys very much. Going to redirects. Let's see here. We got Crypto Blood. I love this dude. I like how he trades. Very simple. And then he has a trading bot as well. I never asked him for it. I bet you if I did, though, he'd give it to me. Pretty sure. I don't know. I was on a Trading Wars with him. Really cool dude. I like Trading Wars, man. It let me meet other traders. Of course, I was on there with TradeFly, but I already knew TradeFly. Then Crypto Blood was on there, and Crypto Face was on there, and there's other traders on there too, and that's pretty cool. And they know me now. So that was nice. Let's see here. Who do we got? We got Road Dog. We got, who did we go to last time? I forget. Did we go to Road Dog or Lunar Beaches? I think we went to Lunar Beaches. So let's go to, let's first see. Road Dog's gonna be at 10, starting right now. So let's go to Road Dog. Make sure to put Trade Intuition Raid, and hopefully tomorrow we can take a trade. I want to take a trade. That's the reason I was on the trading computer, but we can't force it. And all I have is an hour to do this. Now, granted, I'm on my VIP group and also JR's Discord. We're trading there, but as far as like an actual setup right now, I don't have one. Can't force it either. Come on, Nom. Let's go down. All right. Well, that's it for me. I do greatly appreciate you. We'll see you tomorrow, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Hopefully we can take a trade. I will be on my stepper. I will definitely be on my stepper. And I do thank you guys very much. See you in the next video. Again, my name is Joe, also known as Trade Intuition, where we show you the true life of a trader. We show you the wins, the losses, the thought process that goes along with it. We're not here to sell you anything, so we're not going to be fake and just only show you the good stuff. We're going to show you the reality of trading. You get that every single day when I'm here. at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard. Until then, as always, not sure what time it is your time, but it's always time to make this money. So let's do it, guys. Let's make this money. My name is Joe, also known as Trade Intuition. We'll see you tomorrow, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard. Until then, take care. Be careful with them stop losses, and be careful with them liquidations. See ya. Take care.
We in the charts again. Support line looks like it's holding. Market makers, make it bounce. Bounce, bounce, bounce. Bounce, bounce. Make it bounce, 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 bounce.
No, market makers, don't make it bounce. Only make it bounce for Solana. The other ones, you're okay. Like Nom, keep it going down. Algo, keep it going down. The other trades that I'm in, Algo, you know, like let those go down. The other ones, my longs, you can make it bounce. Okay, Ondo, make it bounce. Power, make it bounce. Dash, I forgot I was in Dash. Make it bounce. But the other ones, you can just continue with what you're doing. Continue with what you're doing. All right. Thank you guys so much. I'll see you on the next one. Take care.